Hi everyone. In this lecture, we're going to go over some labels in GX Works 3 and how to import them labels into GT Designer3 software. So we're going to basically create a cycle start into a label. So I'll open this one up and we'll say cycle start, BB, enter, and we'll make it as a global label and okay that. Now we have a cycle start push button that says a label. And if I come down here, I'm going to rename this to cycle started. And this would be the other label we just did. And we'll also make this into a global label and okay that. Now we'll go to the global label table, which you can find under labels, global label and global. Here you have to check the access from external device on. This would allow the HMI to use it. We can send the changes to the PLC here. Let it finish. One thing to keep in mind, you have to save the project. Then we'll go to the HMI project here. If you go to project under global label, there's an option to import. So we'll click it. OK. Add. And here you can point to the PLC project. So if you click on three dots, pick the PLC program. OK. And OK again. This should bring all three labels we just made and you can see them. Now, if you open the tree, click on global, here you can see cycle started. Start PB and cycle started are the two bits we added. Now I'll show you how to use them in the program. So the cycle start push button we have, it's set to an M3 bit. So if you click on this arrow, and this thing would let you switch between definition, comment, and HMI label or global label. So we can map it to cycle start PB and say OK. So this one shows cycle start PB as a label and it's assigned. Same thing for the header, actually the machine status where we add the in cycle. So we'll click on the three dots and say cycle started and OK that. So now this is how you can use define labels in PLC project and bring them back to the HMI. The only thing is the labels don't update, so you would have to preview and refresh or update your file when you change things. Or you just put two columns here, like type the name and just call it what it is. So that's how the labels work. We'll work on the Z index in the next lecture. Thank you.